Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be an unboxing video for Influenster. It is Give Your Shampoo the Day Off. It is not your mother's dry shampoo. It says play now, wash later. So I'm gonna open it up and see all the goodies inside. There's one goodie, but it's still your holy grail dry shampoo, now with a hint of color. New look, same bad A formula, tinted to match you. Join the dark side. Excited. This whole bottle, how many ounces? 7 ounces. 7 ounces. Influencer, you never cease to amaze me. So it is perfect for brunettes. It's plain out, wash later. Is there? It is to shake vigorously. Oop, maybe I should take this little thingy off. Just say their new product. It says shake vigorously, hold can 8 to 10 inches away from roots and spray evenly. Massage thoroughly with fingers. Wash hands to remove any residue. Pro tip, allow product to briefly absorb before blending. I'm a little nervous, guys, because this is tinted. I'm so scared. I want to test it on my arm before test it on my hair. See if it really has pigment. Guys. Look, it has pigment in it. This is their new tinted dry shampoo. It is tinted, seriously. I'm nervous to I'm so, I don't know why. Massage it into my hair. I like that it doesn't have that white powder. I guess that's the point of the brown. My hands are not that dark. It's not that bad. But yeah, I should really wash my arm before that stains. But yeah, that is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Tinted Dry Shampoo in medium. It is for light to dark brown hair's matte finish, which yes it is, because look at my arm. It is matted. And it does come off because on my finger. It instantly absorbs oil and odor for refreshed hair between washes. So this is good for if you have oily hair, which I do because my hair is curly. But I've never thought of using dry shampoo on my curly hair. I usually use it when I straighten my hair because that's when I need it the most. But the fact, usually when I do put it on, it leaves my hair with a white finish and it's not cute. But I like this because now my hair will stay brown. Maybe my roots will be a little bit darker. But yeah, so yeah, that is the Not Your Mother's Tinted Dry Shampoo. I got this from Influenster. I'll put a link down below in the description so you can sign up for Influencer and get products to test out for free. And like always, like and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below on what you think about this product or what you've gotten from Influencer. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Bye now. Just a side note, you really do need to shake it, or I don't know what it is. I put it a few times, it's right here peeling off, all over my hands. And then right here it's super patchy. And that's why you're supposed to massage it into your hair, because this will happen and then you'll have flakes coming out of your hair. So just a little FYI, guys. That's why I massaged it over here and that's why it looks so good here. But I wanted to test it on my arm to see. I should have done it on camera, but I didn't. Yeah, so just a little heads up. Massage it into your hair. Don't do that.